Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever felt that you would like to know all the key takeaways of a YouTube video without spending much time watching it? If yes, I have a solution for you, and I will show you how to leverage AI to summarize a long video for us. The AI tool I will be using is Claude.ai. It is free and allows us to upload a text file, and we can then ask questions about the uploaded file. But there's a small catch. Currently, Claude.ai is only available to the United States and United Kingdom. So if you live somewhere else, by all means, get a good VPN. The one I'm using is Surfshark, and so far it has served me well when I ask ChatGPT or Claude.ai some questions. Now, what we're gonna do in this video is to upload a YouTube video transcript, or what some people would call subtitles, to Claude.ai and ask it to summarize the YouTube subtitles for us. The first problem we must tackle is finding a way to download YouTube subtitles conveniently. If you have watched my previous videos, you can tell I enjoy using Python in Google Colab. As you can see, we will be using this Python library called YouTube-Transcript-API. This Python API allows us to get the subtitles of a given YouTube video. Let's scroll down a bit. We will do a pip install of this API, but we don't need the requirements dependencies here because we will be using Google Colab. So here it sets the easiest way to get a transcript is to execute this. Here we're importing a Python class also called YouTube Transcript API. And from it, we will use the getTranscript function. Here we also need to specify the video ID. After running these lines, what we get would look something like this. Each sentence is wrapped in a curly bracket. And for a long video, there will be a lot of these curly brackets. In other words, we will write code to extract all these sentences from each curly bracket and combine them into one text file. To sidetrack a bit, in Python, these curly brackets are called dictionary, and each dictionary has at least one key value pair. And here in our example, there are 3 key value pairs. So here is our Colab Notebook, and I will paste the link to this notebook in the description below. The first line is a pip install, which we saw in the documentation earlier. Then we would do a couple of imports. In general, pandas is for handling data within Python. This YouTube Transcript API is for downloading the subtitles, as we explained earlier. So here we've got a very long interview with Harari. This video is almost 3 hours long, so this is a perfect example to show why summarizing the transcript of a YouTube video is beneficial. Now we go up here to copy the video ID and paste it here. And let's run this. Let's have a look at the response. As we saw earlier in the documentation, this is a list of Python dictionaries, and the sentences of this transcript are stored within the dictionaries with the key text. Then our work is just a matter of looping through every single dictionary in this response and keep only the value from the key text. So our Python function looks something like this. We first try to get a response from the transcript API. Once we get a response, we would loop through each element, which is just a dictionary, and extract the text part of each dictionary. Then we would combine all these individual strings and put them together into this subtitles variable, which is then turned into a list called output. The output list will be further loaded into a pandas data frame because it is more convenient to export a CSV file from a pandas data frame. Okay, let's run this. Again, we would need to specify the video ID here, which is the same as the one above here. And then let's run this and have a look at the downloaded transcript. Looks okay to me. Now it's time to export this transcript into a CSV file. Okay, so here is our CSV. So we need to download this into our PC. Okay, it's done. Finally, it's time to see the magic of AI. We will go to Claude.ai. Let's upload the video subtitles we downloaded earlier in Python, which is this one. Then we would ask our first question. What are the key takeaways from the interview? Now we can see at least 8 themes in the conversation between Harari and Friedman. We can always return to the video if we want to explore and learn more about one of the 8 takeaways. Okay, let's ask one more question. Did Harari mention the type of skills we need to develop in this new era of AI? Here we've got some valuable advice from a very knowledgeable professor. This is everything I have prepared for this video. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.